guys can feel how thick it really is, you would understand.
What's up, you guys? I wanna welcome you back. Another freestyle fade under attack. I'm gonna take that trimmer and I'm gonna make the line thinner. Then I'm gonna grab the number 2 and put it on the clipper. Start scooping out, make that fade easy. You will be cutting like 360 Jeezy. Anything that comes through the door is so breezy. Clipper of a comb, yeah, you know what I'm about. Get them fades down, get them in, get them out. With that high quality, you can follow me. 1 through 6, follow each phase, please. Hit subscribe and like for me, so your low fades aren't higher than a tree. I know you wanna cut it right, but first you gotta keep the dark to the light and make a smooth transition. And this is why I start right here in this position. I wanna keep the parietal ridge in my vision. Wanna keep it dark, so I know where it ends, know where it starts. That's why I follow all 6 phases. And if you wanna learn, then just click on the playlist. Now my fade is starting to take shape. I think everything is starting out great. The pencil or the handshake grip you will learn in the phase 2 video, where we break it down fast, then we break it down slow, and we pretty much gave you all you want to know. Let's start this out at the tempo, and I have the clipper completely closed. 3 zeros is what it leaves the hair. Looking in the mirror, your client is looking fair, but I'm using the mirror so I can compare one side to the other. I am not concerned with what's going on under. Soon we are going to take it down to skin, but before that we go 5 zeros in. Now let's not act like a beginner. Let's be real careful when we use the trimmer. All I want to try to do is go and flick out. Harsh line in and a harsh line out. So let's be real careful and get it down. Keep practicing and analyze the factors. And after some practice, you will be a master. Follow all 6 phases to completion, and you will be the king of the street. Take some time, make sure there's no lines between your 3 and your 5 zeros. Then, when you get your shaver, you will be a hero. This is the new one from Gamma, and it's a slam dunk, cause I get them done faster. Flick out the line, don't cause no disasters. Don't you dare run it into that 3-0 area. Oh, I'd like to take a moment to any other YouTuber out here watching. If you want to try, I challenge you to do this. Freestyle a whole voiceover, it's crazy. It's a little tough to give that information, but we're going to keep moving to the next station. This is the next phase. We're going to take the trimmer and we're going to fix any little mistakes that we made. Flick them out using the corner of the blade. Little by little, it's coming together, and pretty soon we can move on to whatever the next step is. Actually the top. Look in your client's hair, confirm the cut. You don't want him to say it's too short. The mohawk guideline moving on back. Little by little, the fade we attack. And if you struggle, when you cut the top. I made a whole video you could watch. I suggest you listen to it close. It shows how all the guidelines go. The mohawk, oh, real easy guideline. You could go all the way back. When you start, take it slow. Now take note of how I hold the shears on an angle. That way it flows over to the side that I want it to go. And little by little, I'm just working in rows off of my guideline from that mohawk. Little by little, it's just shaping up. Now listen, pay attention to how I do the front. Here, over directing is a must. I don't want long hairs in the front, messing it up. I want it to all flow up in the mirror. I want to look back and watch it all disappear into the interior. To the interior. If shear over comb is something that you struggle with, we got another video and you'll be loving it. So click on the link and go and check it out. With a little bit of practice, you could get it down. You could tackle any crowd and tackle any crown. You could take A-Rod's crown. Now, I just want to blow dry it all into place. Now I can really see the fade, where it's gotta go and where it's gotta stay. And most importantly, how it's gonna lay. Let's put the clipper in the open position, but just listen for a minute and try to pay attention. We are flicking, and yes, we are flicking, but let's not ever forget the mission. Each of these guards and each of these steps has a certain length that it's gotta leave the hair. So if you skip one, it won't be fair, and you'll see lines when you look up in the mirror. So let's take about a ½ inch, try to scoop it out and do what makes sense. And as we move down, we'll close the clipper. And anytime you go too far, just move the lever back and forth and keep it on an angle. Believe in your systems, these fades you will get them. It just takes time, so stick to the grinds. Make sure there's no lines before you just move on. Next thing, we're gonna put the number 1 on, and you're gonna get better as time goes on. But try to flick out and keep the top dark. Little by little, use your eyes for a start, and keep checking the mirror, cause what you see here might not be what you see there. So be real careful. We'll keep moving that lever down little by little. We're staying under that first step like we did in the beginning. Little by little, that line starts thinning. Little by little, you will be getting this fade done. Now, we did skip the half, don't worry, we're going back. But first I want to attack what's going on the top. So, before we drop, let's switch over to that 1.5, make it nice. Remember, in the beginning we used the 2, right? So we want to meet that length, and we meet it just right with it open and closed and playing that lever. And little by little, we got the fade coming together. Skip the half, but now we're going back. We didn't skip math class, so we know we gotta go back. We start with it about halfway open, and if we need to open or close it, we close it. Now we really need to pay close attention to the mirror. Look for them dark spots and try to make them disappear. And little by little, your fades are gonna look like mine. In your lifetime, you can do this, but it takes time. So be patient with yourself. We're not born to know how to cut hair, yet we always compare ourselves to other people, and it really isn't fair. Cause in the beginning, man, we all had to struggle, and some gave up and said it wasn't worth the trouble, but it is. I just want to handle all my biz. I'm still getting better year by year, and I thought before I really knew it all. So it's really important that we listen, take it all in. Try to make yourself the best and keep evolving. Little by little, all this stuff, you will get it. And little by little, I can't keep going, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this, man. I enjoyed making this. I had some fun with it. Yo, I'm calling these YouTubers out. If anybody else wants to try to do this, man, I would love to listen to more of these. I thought it was so cool when A-Rod did it. I never had the courage to do it myself, so smash that like button, man. If you guys could help me out, it took a lot of courage for me to go ahead and release this, and I hope you guys are all having a great day. I hope you like the fade. I hope you learned something, and I was gonna talk more about the power ride, but this is what I'm gonna talk about. I want you guys to go ahead, drop a comment, hit that like button, and you will be entered for a chance to win a Gamma power ride. And I know you guys are gonna love this clipper. It's got the power. It cuts a lot like a Wall 5-star Senior, and it just feels light and good in the hand. I absolutely loved what they did with the top ridge. I'm gonna make a video that kind of shows all the features pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and don't miss the lives, man, because we give stuff away on the lives all the time. And yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate your support. We're at 100,000 strong and growing, and all the people who contribute to the army and make it what it is, man, I can't thank you guys enough. Even though we don't get the views that some of these other channels get, we definitely got the support that a lot of channels don't have. So I really appreciate everything we got, and my family's growing little by little. It was hard to get a video out last week, so we're back on our grind, and we'll be doing this on every Monday at 2 p.m. Until then, peace.
Him to be here to verify what happened. All right, so I cut his hair. It's looking fresh. I'm real happy with it. But while we were cutting his hair, some guy broke in the shop, right? And they cut him right there in the forehead. They cut him. As it stands, the police are still looking for the individual involved. Even got a sketch of the individual. Let me put that up. So as far as we know, there's no leads on the suspect, but you know, we're gonna keep looking for him. And yeah, that's another fresh one. Peace.